I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure power settings won't override brightness. Plug in or confirm battery above 10%. Once done, open Settings with Win+I, then go straight to System and Display. You see a brightness slider and an adaptive brightness toggle. These are the primary controls. Make the first adjustment with the slider to reach a comfortable level. Note why. Windows can auto-adjust based on ambient light or power plan, so check those toggles before moving on. Now address why the slider might not work. Graphics drivers and OEM controls. Open Device Manager and expand display adapters to see Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA entries. If the slider is missing or stuck, update the driver or roll it back. Reinstall if corrupt. Then open the Manufacturer Control Panel, Intel Graphics Command Center, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon settings to fine-tune brightness and color. These panels can override Windows settings, so make sure values match what you set in display. Finish by disabling adaptive brightness and any power saver brightness in power options so your chosen level holds. Calibrate display using Windows color calibration to match brightness with gamma and contrast. If behavior persists, reboot and try reinstalling the display driver in safe mode or restore the driver to a known good version. One key troubleshooting tip. If brightness controls are unresponsive after updates, uninstall the latest display driver. Reboot, then let Windows reinstall the stable driver to restore control immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.